Hello guys, I hope you are doing great. Today we will try something new. As I've been a producer for some time, I worked mainly in Pro Tools, but right now I got the news that Logic Pro X or Pro 10, yeah, is they are offering like a trial for 90 days, and today I'm going to try for the first time Logic Pro. Okay, try. This could be fun. So in the meantime, would you share with me what did you try for the first time in your life during these days? The install is complete. Let's continue. Okay, so as I understand, here you are creating a new session. As we say in Pro Tools, it's a session. Here is a project. Choose a track type. Plug in a USB MIDI keyboard to play and record using a wide variety of instruments like piano, organ. Okay. Record using a microphone. Connect the guitar or the drummer that automatically plays along with your song. I'm gonna try this for now. We have lots of latency. How do I change that? Emoji track file preferences, general audio 128, but why is this changes? Okay. So let's say I want to record. What's this, man? This is different than Pro Tools, yeah. Okay. What's this doing? Okay, let's say I don't want this. How to expand? This is the volume. Okay, this is how you expand. Now, how do I transform the MIDI track into audio? Track, new track. I need an audio track. How do I do that? How can I change the input and outputs? I have a lot of questions. Okay, this is solo button. Now, where do I get the input and output of the track? Do I have a mixer view here? Show mixer, okay, X. So we have a mixer. Okay, stereo out. Let's say, okay, we have buses. This is the way. This is the way. let's say have bus 3. How do I turn off the info? So let's say that I select for my audio track, I select bus 3. Can I record now? Yes, I did it. Cool. So the first time in my life, this is the first time when I recorded a MIDI track into an audio track in Logic Pro X. This is fun when you are learning new stuff. Okay, let's say we are muting the MIDI. Can we hear the audio? Nice. Okay. Now let's say that I want to mix my super audio track. I know that the mix window is accessed by pushing the X button. Okay. Now I want some EQ. Click to add. Oh, okay. So this is the default EQ in Logic. Okay. I want to cut some frequency. Let's say. Interesting. So let's say I want to add a compressor. Can I? This is the metronome button. Okay. Nice. So let's add the compressor. Dynamics, I suppose. Adaptive limiter. Mono compressor. That's nice, yeah. This is a nice feature to be able to resize the GUI, the interface of plugins. Okay. I like it. So how do I add a reverb? Not directly on the track, but okay, audio effects. Track. Software. How do I create a new auxiliary track? Okay, so this is my first lesson. I'm gonna save this. Save my first Logic Pro. It's not a session in Logic, it's a project. And save. So if you have some quick tips for me, put them in the comments below, and until next time, stay cool and make great music.